Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to discuss about how loads flow through a building. So without further ado, let's get started. First, let's talk about load path. A load path is the route that load follows through a structure. Any kind of load will transfer from different structural members and it will eventually transfers to the soil. That is called a load path, and it is mainly categorized in two parts: gravity load paths, which will include dead loads, live loads, snow loads, superimposed dead loads, etc. And another category is the lateral load path, which will transfer the loads like lateral loads, which are wind load and earthquake load. So first, let's discuss gravity load part. So as we first discussed, the gravity load part will transfer the loads like dead loads and live loads. So first, these loads will going to act on slab or floor or roof, whatever you say. And then the slab will transfer these loads to the beams. And then beams will going to transfer these loads into the columns, and then finally column will flow the loads to the footing, and finally footing will safely transfers the load to the ground soil. But if your building has like flat slab which does not have a beam, which is like a slab without the beams, there will be columns and slabs and footings. So in that case, the second part, which is the beams, which it will be excluded, and the slab will directly transfer the loads to the columns and to the footings and to the ground soils as before. Now secondly, the lateral load part, which will transfer the loads such as earthquake and wind loads, which are acted like horizontally to the buildings. So first, these loads will, as we calculate the earthquake and wind loads, we calculate them for the at different story levels. We will find the loads, and then it will going to transfer to the diaphragms, as you can see in this picture. And then these diaphragms will going to transfer the loads to the system, which is whichever is there for taking the lateral loads. We can have shear walls, we can have moment resisting frames likewise. So these diaphragms will going to transfer the loads to these shear walls, and these shear walls will eventually transfer the loads to the footing, and then the footing will transfer the loads to the ground soil. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, then please like, share and subscribe.